Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this green cut crease look. And I'm going to be starting off going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just going to use those green shades. And I'm going to blend it into my crease area. So you will see me go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to choose that brown shade just because I wanted to make the green a little darker. And I'm just going to blend that and then place the green back on top of it. And I'm going to blend it all out to make it even. So now you see me trying to cut my crease, but it wasn't a crease. It's supposed to be like a halo, but it didn't work out. So it's gonna be something. It's gonna turn out cute. Just know that. But I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and tan sand to cut my little crease or halo or whatever. I'm going back in with the same palette, and I'm just placing that green shimmery color on top of my lid. And then I'm gonna also go in and blend out the outside of each side. So now I'm just applying my Revlon foundation in the color Mocha. And I'm going to blend it all over my face. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. And I'm also going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand and put that under my eye as well. And we're just going to blend it out. Now I'm taking my Sacha ButterCup setting powder, and I'm just gonna take that and set the areas that I just highlighted. While that's setting, I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to contour my face with that dark shade, you know. I'm taking the same palette I just used, and I'm going to take that green shade that I put in my crease area, and I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. Smudge it in, girl, smudge it in. I'm just taking my MAC Studio Fix face powder in the shade Dark Deep, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face to blend out my foundation. Now I'm going in with my ABH Glow Kit and Sun Dips, and I'm gonna use the highlighter Moonstone. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my cheekbones and down my nose. Now you see me going in with my Wet n Wild lip pencil in the color Simma Brown. And I'm just using it to line my lips. And then I'm also going to take my NYX liquid lipstick and Babydoll. I'm going to apply that all over my lips. And you'll also see me using my Fenty Beauty lip gloss as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave some comments down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, let your girl know how you like this look, because I really liked it. It was cute. It's cute.